Private 5G is set to transform industry landscapes with networks capable of rapidly deploying modern use cases and the scalability to meet constantly increasing demands of data capacity and speed. So, what exactly is private 5G? It's a secure and resilient wireless network designed for custom enterprise use cases with advantages far exceeding Wi-Fi or LTE. It meets the demands of services like video streaming and real-time performance control with ultra-high bandwidth, speed, reliability, and ultra-low latency. Private 5G means more revenue for operators, who can partner with enterprises to build and manage networks on-premise or in the cloud. It also means enterprises can solve their bandwidth problems and rapidly unleash the operational benefits of 5G. A robust compact core, RAN, and devices are all you need, and Alepo can help you make it a reality. With diverse applications, operators can target many sectors where private 5G is already gaining traction. Standalone 5G networks are ideal for universities, ports, smart cities, factories, farms, utilities, and more. Let's look at an example for manufacturing. One of the greatest benefits of private 5G is ultra-reliable connectivity, eliminating wires or Wi-Fi from the production unit. This enables the use of robotics and autonomous vehicles that can be monitored and managed in real time, allowing factory productivity to reach new highs. For healthcare, the security features of private 5G are especially helpful to safeguard patient data and ensure connectivity for critical devices. Doctors and patients can connect across the globe with the help of high-speed data and the Internet of Things to perform minimally invasive and precise surgical procedures. And with the network's massive data capacity, healthcare professionals can track symptoms, scan reports, and store data more efficiently and in high definition. In smart cities, private 5G helps implement unparalleled security systems, ensures efficient energy consumption and street lighting, improves public safety communications, monitors traffic. The list is endless. And this is only the beginning. From automotive production, construction, and logistics to education and municipalities, private 5G will revolutionize the world we live in. Alepo offers its end-to-end compact core along with its ecosystem partners, enabling you to rapidly deploy a private 5G network for your enterprise customers. Collaborate today to begin your 5G reality.